Good morning students and my dear friends. This is Santosh Kumar, PGT Zoology, AP Model School. Okay. Before last day we discussed about the some of the endocrine gland and thyroid gland also will learn, and we have to see that today class MSET oriented zoology class. So, parafollicular lobes. Where did you find these parafollicular lobes? In the thyroid gland. Okay, the parafollicular lobe of thyroid gland to secrete the wonderful hormone that is called calcitonin. Okay, calcitonin. So, this calcitonin is control the calcium and phosphorus levels in the blood. Okay, then coming to the parathyroid hormone. Parathyroid hormone. Okay, the parathyroid hormones released from the one of the endocrine gland that is called parathyroid gland. So once we see that location, we see the diagram. Okay, one pair of parathyroid glands are located on either side of a thyroid gland. So we need that. Okay, we see that. So parathyroid glands are close to the thyroid gland, and some of the hormones are released. One of the hormone is released from this parathyroid gland that is called PTH. PTH means parathyroid hormone. Parathyroid hormone. It is also known as a parathormone. This parathormone is control the calcium and phosphorus levels in the blood and bones. Calcium and phosphorus levels in the blood and bones, and it is also responsible for the reabsorption of calcium in the bones and phosphorus also. And this PTH hormone is work together with the calcitonin to control the calcium levels in the blood. So these are about parathyroid gland, and especially in the examination how to compose these questions. Okay, what kind of the hormone is secreted from the parathyroid gland? PTH, parathyroid hormone or parathormone. What is the job of parathormone? Calcium and phosphorus levels in the blood and bones, and it is also reabsorption of calcium in nephrons also. It is also reabsorption of calcium in the nephrons, and reabsorption of this calcium phosphorus in the bones also. And what kind of hormone released from the parafollicular cells of the thyroid gland? It is called calcitonin. What is the job of that? Calcium and phosphorus levels in the blood. So we have to see that another kind of thyroid gland that is called thymus gland. Okay, once we see that thymus gland. Okay, it is also important endocrine gland, and it is also important in the examination oriented competitive examinations. Thymus gland. Okay, this thymus gland is presence in the especially in children, and it is also degenerated when we have to composed in the adult stage. The thymus gland is present near to the heart. So they secrete the wonderful hormone that is called thymosin. The thymosin is secreted from the thymus gland. Okay, this thymosin is regulated the humoral